and welcome back to First Position Play Along number 7. Today we'll be learning the song A-OK. This video will not only teach you how to play the song, but teach you how to practice any song. We'll start by listening to the full song. Then we'll break the song into chunks, and then we'll go through some practice tips for extra help. For about 10 to 15 minutes a day, alternate between the listening, chunking, and practice tip sections of the video until you can play each chunk 3 times in a row with a steady, clear sound. Once you can do that, you'll be ready to play through the whole song with a backup band at the end of the video. Here's the song we're learning, A-OK. Listen closely. This song introduces a new note in second position called A. Let's break our song into chunks. Here's chunk 1. Let's sing and slide that together, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 1, 4, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. Second time now, ready, sing. 1, 4, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. Third time now, we'll say our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, G, A, F, F, D, F, F. Now we'll play it, take that deep O breath in, and send that fast air. 1, 2, breathe. Second time now, O breath. Third time now, O breath. Here's chunk 2, listen closely. Let's sing and slide that on our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, 6. Second time now, ready, sing. 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, 6. And third time now on our note names. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, G, F, 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 D, C. Now we'll play it. Take that deep O breath in. Send that fast air for your first G. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, O breath. Third time now, O breath. Now here's chunk 3. Listen carefully if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've already heard. What did you hear? It is exactly the same as chunk 1. Let's sing and slide it one time. Let's do it on note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, G, A, F, F, D, F, F. And now Now let's play that. 1, 2, oh breath. Finally, here's chunk 4. Listen closely. This chunk has one extra beat, which we call a pickup. Let's sing and slide that together. Again, listen closely because we're going to start one beat earlier. 1, ready, sing. 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6, 1. We'll do that again. 1, 2, sing. 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6, 1. Now we'll do it on note names. 1, 2, sing. G, G, A, F, G, G, C, F. Let's play that together. Listen closely because, again, we'll have that extra beat. Ready, breathe. Ready, breathe. Ready, breathe. Now you know our whole song. Feel free to go back and repeat what you need, or go ahead to our practice tips. Let's try a new way to practice that can help us get used to the higher notes and help us chunk the music in a new way. Repeat after me. Together now, ready, breathe. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. You should recognize that as chunk 1. We started with our problem note A and added on a note before and after until we got the whole chunk. This helped us get used to that high note, the tricky rhythm, and we got 4 more reps of playing that high note A. Now let's try this with chunk 4. Repeat after me. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. Use this new way of chunking to isolate problems and practice them from every angle. Now that you've practiced each chunk, let's play the whole song together. with me in rhythm with a clear sound and snappy slide, now you get to play with the backup band. There will be reminders on the screen, but now it's time to show what you know. Great job learning your 7th song, A-OK. Once you can play through the whole song 3 times in a row with a confident, clear sound, then you'll be ready to move on to the next song. There is sheet music in the description if you would like to try reading it. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video for our next song.